5, 6 divided by 3. The first number, it's always going to be what we have. In this case, we're going to think that we have a pizza, that we only had 5, 6 left. And the second number, we're going to think that we have 3 friends that we want to divide it equally into. Now let's go ahead and represent the 5, 6 using our tape diagram. And we are going to highlight what we have, which we have 5s out of the 6. Since we only have 5 pieces, we are not going to be able to divide it equally into the 3 people. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide them, each piece, into 3 equal parts so that each person gets the same amount from every 6. So we are dividing every single piece into 3 equal parts. After we have divided what we had, the 5, 6, into 3 equal parts, we no longer have 5, 6. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have 15 parts out of 18. It's still the same value, but we just made every 6 into smaller pieces. Since we have 3 people, we know that 15 divided by 3 equals 5. So each friend is going to get 5 parts out of the 18. Let's write 3 names of your friends. Let's have Maria. Let's say Joe. And let's say Camila. Made up 3 names. So we're going to highlight the first part for Maria. So we're going to have 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now let's highlight the 5 parts for Joe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the rest is going to be for Camila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your answer is every person gets 5 out of the 18. We're going to learn how to do 5, 6 divided by 3 using numerical representation or using math symbols. Before you start doing your division, make sure that all your numbers are into fractions. The 3, we're going to add a 100 to make it a fraction. And we know that if you add a 100, the value doesn't change, still gives the same value. Then we write 5, 6, what you have, you keep it the same. The division, we're going to make it into multiplication. And then we're going to do the reciprocal or flip the numbers around. Instead of writing it into 3 over 1, we are going to do 1 over 3. Then we're going to multiply 5 times 1, and that is going to give us 5. Then we're going to do 6 times 3, and that is going to give us 18. And if you notice, this number, 5, and the 18, is the answer we got here. Now you wonder, why do we make this multiplication? Because when we make this multiplication, you get the 18 when we cut every single part into 3s. This is why we make it into multiplications. And then you get the answer. 5 times 1 is 5. So this is why we make division into multiplication and why we do the reciprocal.